Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Robinhood or Charles Schwab. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is that no one is better than the other. Both are great, and I will tell you in today's video which one will fit you the best. So let's start right here with the comparison video, and I wrote down 5 topics where I will tell you the difference on. So let's start right here with the main focus on Robinhood. And the main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. The main focus on Charles Schwab is full service investing and brokerage. So Charles Schwab is a broker. Then if I look right here to best for, and with best for I mean Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and Charles Schwab is the best for long-term investors and active traders. Then if you go to trading tools, Robinhood has basic chart and investing tools and Charles Schwab has research tools, screeners and Thinkorswim platform. So keep that in mind. Charles Schwab is also a Thinkorswim platform. Then if you go to the interface right here, and Robinhood is extremely simple and beginner friendly, and Charles Schwab is professional with powerful tools. Then if you look to fees and trading costs, Robinhood has a commission-free trading, and Charles Schwab has a commission-free stock and ETF trading. Then if you look to the tips, in my opinion, so I will tell you some quick tips with a few words, and with that I mean many traders use Robinhood for simple investing, stocks, ETFs and beginner friendly trading, and many traders use Charles Schwab for long-term investing, retirement accounts, research and advanced trading with Thinkorswim. So hopefully after seeing this video you know exactly right now which one you need to pick. Hopefully this was also the video where I was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.